Hello, everyone, and welcome to WGQS 1 Intro to Women's Studies. I'm Lee Burrell. My pronouns are she, her, and they, them. And this is a quick overview of the class. So first thing I want to do is introduce you to the textbooks. Yes, you're going to need to buy all of them, and I encourage you to buy them in the current edition, particularly this one, which is upside down, but no longer. Race, Gender, Sexuality, and Social Class. Sometimes I list them incorrectly. Third edition. Why do you need the third edition? Because the third edition has all the articles that we're going to be reading for sure. If you get an older edition, you're not going to have quite all the articles, and it'll be a little stressful later in the term. The other books that I have for the class are a little bit less expensive because they're sort of historical overview of rights movements, social progress, everything from abolition all the way up into getting into like a little bit more enlightened, like queer politics eventually. We have Feminism, the Essential Historical Writings. You should be able to get this for cheap and used. And also the ironically titled Feminism in Our Time, which only covers through about 1990. So it's not really our time. I love it when the birds outside like enter my dialogue. It makes me feel like I'm really connected to the earth, even though I live here in San Francisco. Not sure if you could hear that crow on my balcony. So let me also familiarize you with a little bit about the Canvas page and how to navigate. I have some inspiring words from a lot of different women on this opening page, and I hope that you'll take a moment to look at all of them, including the tiny inspirational cactus. But really what you're going to do when you're looking for materials for our course is go to modules, and that's where everything is sort of laid out in the order that it's due, with readings that aren't from the books and assignments. Discussion forums make up a huge chunk of what we do in this class. And of course, I think there's one quiz right now. And then any assignments that are due are all here. So pretty much scrolling through this, you'll see I have, a welcome module, and then it's broken into units. For the first couple articles from this book, I did manage to find them, sort of pirating them and put them up for you just in case it takes you a while to get the books, which I know sometimes it does. That doesn't mean you can forgo buying them. I'm sorry, this one's expensive. But basically when you're in the modules, you can see that I have the readings followed by the assignments and then the due dates for everything. I usually publish the first couple units, and then I might not publish the third unit until later. I just unpublished it. Did you see that? And then there's material at the bottom here, which is clips, websites, articles, global feminism research project inspiration here. At the end of the semester, you'll be doing a sort of a virtual presentation since we're asynchronous this semester. And this is where you can find some inspiration for that. So I hope this provides you with a little bit of an overview of what to expect this semester. There's all sorts of really cool material related to the history of social progress, social justice, and human rights activism, with a particular focus on women, as well as sex and gender in this class. And I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you and then hopefully seeing some familiar faces in this class as well. So welcome to our semester and looking forward to working with you.